Crash Course on Mexican Archaeological Sites. A journey through Mexico's ancient civilizations and their impressive ruins, such as Chichen Itza and Teotihuacan. Introduction. Mexico is a land rich in history and ancient civilizations, with numerous archaeological sites scattered throughout the country. These sites provide a glimpse into the remarkable cultures that thrived in Mexico long before the arrival of Europeans. In this crash course, we will embark on a journey through Mexico's archaeological wonders, exploring their significance, history, and captivating stories. From the majestic pyramids of Chichen Itza to the mysterious city of Teotihuacan, let's dive into the world of Mexican archaeological sites. Exploring ancient civilizations. Mexico's archaeological sites are a testament to the advanced civilizations that once flourished in this region. These ancient cultures left behind architectural marvels, intricate artwork, and intriguing artifacts that continue to captivate archaeologists and visitors alike. Let's delve into some interesting stories and examples that bring these ancient civilizations to life. Chichen Itza. One of the new 7 wonders of the world, Chichen Itza is a remarkable Mayan site located in the Yucatan Peninsula. Its most iconic structure is the Temple of Kukulkan, also known as El Castillo, which showcases the Mayans' astronomical and mathematical precision. During the equinoxes, the play of light and shadow creates an illusion of a descending serpent on the temple's staircase. Teotihuacan. Just outside Mexico City lies the ancient city of Teotihuacan, known as the City of the Gods. The site is dominated by the massive Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon. Teotihuacan was once the largest city in the Americas, and its urban planning and architecture are awe-inspiring. The Avenue of the Dead, a central thoroughfare, connects these majestic pyramids. Palenque. Nestled amidst the lush jungles of Chiapas, Palenque is renowned for its intricate carvings and well-preserved temples. The Temple of the Inscriptions is a notable structure housing the tomb of the Mayan ruler Pakal the Great. The site's artistic details and stunning natural surroundings make it a true gem of the Mayan world. Monte Alban. Situated on a mountaintop in the state of Oaxaca, Monte Alban was once the capital of the Zapotec civilization. This expansive archaeological site offers panoramic views of the surrounding valley. Its impressive architecture, including the Great Plaza and the observatory, reflects the advanced knowledge and engineering skills of the Zapotecs. Tulum. Perched on the cliffs overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, Tulum is a breathtaking Mayan site in the Riviera Maya. Its strategic coastal location served as a trading port and played a significant role in the Mayan civilization. The Temple of the Frescoes and the Castillo are prominent structures within this walled city. El Tajín. Located in the state of Veracruz, El Tajín is known for its distinctive pyramids and intricate stone carvings. The Pyramid of the Niches, with its numerous small niches, is a remarkable example of Mesoamerican architecture. El Tajín's unique art style and ceremonial ball courts offer insights into the rituals and beliefs of the civilization that once thrived here. Uxmal. In the Puuc region of the Yucatan Peninsula, Uxmal showcases the Puuc architectural style characterized by intricate geometric patterns and smooth facades. The Pyramid of the Magician, the Governor's Palace, and the Nunnery Quadrangle are among the site's notable structures. Uxmal's design and ornamentation highlight the mastery of the ancient Maya craftsmen. Coba. Hidden in the dense jungles of the Yucatan Peninsula, Coba reveals the remnants of a once thriving Mayan city. What sets Coba apart is its extensive network of ancient roads called Sac Biab, which connected the city to various ceremonial centers and settlements in the region. The Nohech Mul Pyramid, standing at over 138 feet tall, provides panoramic views of the surrounding jungle. El Rey. Located in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, El Rey is a compact archaeological site that offers a glimpse into the ancient history of the area. This site was once a ceremonial center and a trading post for the Mayan civilization. Visitors can explore the partially restored structures and admire the intricate carvings on the stelae. Tula. Known as the capital of the Toltec civilization, Tula is home to the impressive Pyramid of Quetzalcoatl, adorned with striking stone sculptures of feathered serpents. The site also features a ball court and a colonnade known as the Atlantean figures, which are massive stone statues depicting warriors. Mitla. Situated in the state of Oaxaca, Mitla was a Zapotec ceremonial center known for its intricate mosaic fretwork and decorative stonework. The site's unique architectural style showcases geometric patterns and intricate designs. Mitla's intricate stone carvings and intricate patterns tell stories of the Zapotec culture and their artistic mastery. Xochicalco. Perched on a hilltop in the state of Morelos, Xochicalco was a fortified city inhabited by various Mesoamerican cultures. The site features a blend of architectural styles, including both Maya and Central Mexican influences. The Temple of the Feathered Serpent and the observatory are notable structures that showcase the city's cultural diversity. Summary: Mexico's archaeological sites offer a captivating journey into the ancient civilizations that once thrived in the region. From the towering pyramids of Chichen Itza and Teotihuacan to the intricately carved structures of Palenque and El Tajín, each site has its own unique stories to tell. These archaeological wonders provide a window into the art, architecture, and daily lives of the ancient inhabitants of Mexico. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply fascinated by the mysteries of the past, exploring these sites is an unforgettable experience. Poem. In lands of Mexico, ancient treasures lie. Archaeological wonders that touch the sky. From pyramids tall to intricate stone. A journey through time, we're not alone. Chichen Itza, where Kukulkan reigns. A serpent descends, the equinox explains. Teotihuacan, the city of the gods. Pyramids of the sun and moon, where history trots. Palenque, hidden in the Chiapas green. The tomb of Pacal, a Mayan king unseen. Monte Alban, perched on mountain high. Zapotec marvels against the azure sky. Tulum, a coastal jewel by the sea. Majestic ruins, a vista of mystery. El Tajín, with niches and pyramids grand. A testament to a lost civilization's hand. Uxmal's Puic style enchants the eye. Geometric patterns reaching for the sky. Coba, in jungles, secrets untold. Sacbeeb roads lead through stories of old. El Rey, a glimpse of Cancun's past. Where Mayan ceremonies once amassed. Tula's warriors and Quetzalcoatl's grace. Toltec heritage in a sacred space. Mitla's mosaic fretwork, a sight to behold. Zapotec art unfold. Xochicalco, on a hilltop it stands. A testament to diverse Mesoamerican lands. Mexican archaeological sites, a tapestry of time. Where ancient cultures left their mark sublime. Through ruins and carvings, stories are told. Of civilizations that were once mighty and bold. Explore these wonders, step back in history. Uncover the mysteries, unravel the ancient tapestry. In Mexico's embrace, the past comes alive. A journey of discovery, where memories thrive. ******, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Mexico has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Mexico, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 79899335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.